guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment, and watch out for my other videos as well. So today is Cooking with GMONEY. This is a new series that I wanted to start, and it's basically cooking with GMONEY. So today's episode, we are going to be cooking baked mac and cheese. A little side note, I do not cook. I don't know how to cook yet. I don't know how to cook, and I've never made this recipe before, so we are both going to be learning together as one. So I'm gonna try to make it as easy as possible, cause yeah. So I'm not about to be doing this alone. My sister will be recording me. She don't want to come because she says she look busted. She look like a little pirate, but we're not gonna talk about that. All right, let's get it. All right, guys. So what you're gonna need is elbows. Then you're gonna need some butter, paprika. How you say it?
Paprika.
Paprika. You're gonna need a cup of sour cream, evaporated milk, 2 cans, but I'm only using 1 right now. You need 3 eggs and some cheese, of course. And over here, I've got some boiled water with some salt. Make sure you put some salt in it so we can get a little. It's obvious, so you want to mix the eggs with the rice, of course. As you guys can see, I do not have a bonnet on this video. I was tempted though. Show them. Look at that. Look at that. Mmm. Yummy. Okay. So you're gonna pour this into the milk. And then you put the sour cream. Put half of the cheese. Then you want to add this. I don't know how to say the name, so I'm not even gonna try. This is mostly just for the color. Alright, the water's boiling now, so I'm gonna put all the macaroni in here. You don't want it to be too soft because you're also putting it in the oven. It's done. So we're gonna go and drain it. While it's getting drained, I'm gonna put 1 stick of butter in. I'm gonna turn it around until all the butter is melted. Now, with the butter, I'm going to be pouring this back in. I'm going to be adding some more cheese. Make sure it gets melted in. Damn! Don't call me Chef GMONEY for no reason, yo. Now you're gonna add the custard. That's an ASMR right there. So I preheated the oven to 350. I'm using this right here to put it in. Okay, so I sprayed the pan with cooking spray. Non-stick is fine. So then now I'm gonna be putting it in here and then putting it in the oven. I'm just gonna add a little bit more cheese on the top. We're gonna put this in the oven. Let's go! It's been 10 minutes and you have to wait 10 minutes and then put you put cheese on top and then you put it back in 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put some cheese again. It's bomb? It's bomb? It's good? Guys, what can I say? Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you want me to do another episode of Cooking with G Money. Maybe we'll do a dessert, maybe we'll do something else, but make sure to share this video, like, subscribe, like I said, and check out my other videos, and I'll see y'all next week. In the lot, 12 for a SWAT, all the bells out the box, hit the leaf.